Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we're wrapping up our covered deck project. The only thing that's left is Mr. Prince to get out here and install 3 ceiling fans. And the job is a wrap. Guys are cleaning up from the roof job. A few little details, and this is a wrap. Customer's going to be putting an 8x8 spa on this end of the deck. So we put some extra support in here. Tap down to the footings, support beam, doubled up, all 2x10 construction hardware, 16x16 footings. Nice 8-foot wide steps, got a really nice 2-foot plus overhang. It ties into the offset for the spa, makes this a lot more usable space. Pretty decent concrete work. Nice 8-foot wide steps. Isaiah playing with the wood there a little bit. Access ramp worked out perfect. Customer's going to be using this area for firewood and ATV. Nice unique stepping stone. Customer asked for 32-inch high railings so they can see out into the woods. First class work through here, really nice lines. And then in the spa area, the railings jumped to 42, a little privacy, as well as something nice to lean on. And that's it. It's a 12x75 area. Almost a third of the home's living space. So the customers are just absolutely thrilled. Call us if we can help you out with your outdoor living projects, any type of framing, land clearing, decks, covered decks, porches, any type of stone or masonry or concrete work. We can handle it. Georgia State Licensed General Contractor. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Maestro Macario's got the plan there. That's what we started out with. So not bad for a bunch of chicken scratch. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.